Hello everyone! So I'm continuing to bake for holidays, and today I got this great book. This is by Pierre Herme. He's famous French pastry chef, very famous, and his recipes are famous all around the world, and everyone is lining up in his pastry shop in France. So I wanted to buy this book for a long time, and then I didn't feel ready, honestly, but then I decided, okay, I'm ready, and I got the book. So today we're making the chocolate cake. Simple chocolate cake, but it's really chocolate, and it's for chocolate lovers, and I think it's perfect for holiday when you can, indulge and please yourself and please your close loved ones, everyone. So I don't know why I opened it. So first we are using butter, room temperature butter, and we have to whip it with the sugar to the very soft and white consistency. So butter has to become really white and fluffy, and I'm using my paddle attachment. I really love this one, and then we add other ingredients. So let's start. And again, I'm using this board, and I'm really loving it. So, and I'm adding sugar little by little. Our butter is almost the consistency I needed. I'm gonna change the attachment, and I'm gonna use whisk, because paddle is really good for beating the butter, but whisk is doing good job to make butter fluffy. So I'm attaching whisk now. Attached whisk, and I continue whipping the butter. Right, my butter is nice and fluffy, and I'm making eggs one by one while I'm whipping the butter. Okay, I have to scrape inside my bowl and then continue to make sure that everything is whipped and has nice consistency. My butter and eggs are all mixed up together really nicely and have nice consistency. And now I have chocolate. Your chocolate has to be 60% at least, dark chocolate. I melted it on a bain-marie or water bath. When you're melting your chocolate, bottom of your bowl can touch water, never, otherwise it will burn your chocolate. So I already melted my chocolate, and now I'm gonna add it on a slow speed. I am gonna add my chocolate to the butter and eggs mixture. Alright, I don't need mixer anymore. Take it off. And then I continue to fold it. And then I'm continuing folding it with my spatula. First I have to make sure that everything is off the bottom of the bowl. Fold it all together. It smells amazing. Dark chocolate is the best. And now, little by little, we're folding in the flour. From bottom and up. From bottom and up. Really, really gentle. We need very hard, isn't it? But the result will be amazing. Because the ingredients are the chocolate. Alright, the dough is ready. It's all mixed in nicely. And now I prepared my mold. I buttered it and put some flour in it, so our cake is not gonna stick in there. So I'm transferring my dough into the pan and it going into the oven. Okay, our dough is ready and it goes into the oven for 25-30 minutes. The temperature is 350 Fahrenheit. And we'll see. I think the result is gonna be amazing because it's Pierre Herme after all. Alright, see you later. Okay, so our chocolate cake is ready and my whole house smells like chocolate. It's amazing, especially if you're making it for holidays. You know what? It's the best when your house smells like chocolate. So, because I made it very first time, I wasn't sure. So in the book it says 25-30 minutes. For me it took 45-50 minutes. So, and let's see, I'm gonna cut it right now and see how it turned out. Also, when it was ready, I turned off the oven and left it there for a while to cool down a little bit. Now I'm cooling it down on a wire and I can't wait to cut it, so I'm not gonna wait longer and I'm gonna move it to the plate and see what's inside. So I'm not gonna decorate it, I just want to do that. Just a little bit of powdered sugar. That's it. See? It's beautiful. And let's cut it. See? Wow! Look at that! See? So I cut the piece and see how soft it is. It is, I don't know even how to explain. It's just, it feels like it's a mousse, really. Chocolate consistency is beautiful. So let's try it. it just melts in your mouth. This cake is certainly for chocolate lovers cake. It's out of this world. It's so good. You have to make it, guys. And the consistency is like so soft. It's like almost like a mousse consistency. So you have to use really good chocolate for this cake. Otherwise it's not gonna work. You can eat it with you can eat it with ice cream. You can eat it with just a dollop of whipped cream. You can eat it as it is. Whatever you like. Enjoy.